Question says, which gunman's bullet will strike the ground first? Is it gunman A, who's aiming up and to the right? Is it gunman B, who's aiming directly to the right, parallel with the ground? Or if at the same time, then mark C. So to answer this question, let's consider the trajectory of a bullet fired from each gun. And notably, it's important to say that while the people are different, the guns are actually the same. So the force that the bullet will be fired with will be identical in both A and B. So in gunman A's case, the trajectory of the bullet will look something like this, which we can break down into a few key stages. The first is initially when a bullet leaves the muzzle of gunman A. And at first, it will be traveling up and to the right. And it will continue doing so till it reaches some maximum height at the top of its trajectory. And from this point, it will continue moving right and down and to the right, and so on until it finally makes contact with the ground. Now the key aspect of this trajectory to consider is this H max. So actually, a bullet fired from gunman A will go up in height before eventually coming down. So let's keep that in mind as we consider the trajectory of a bullet fired from gunman B's gun. For gunman B, again, they're firing directly to the right, parallel to the ground. And in this case, if we try to anticipate its trajectory, it will look something like this, where when the bullet is initially fired, it will be traveling almost completely to the right, although immediately some component down, and it will continue to do so with an increasing downward component until it finally reaches the ground. Now in this case, the H max, so the maximum height of a bullet from gunman B, will be less than that height for gunman A. So this means that gunman B's bullet is most likely to hit the ground first, because this is a bullet fired with the same force, and in gunman B's case, it gains no additional height. So the force of gravity will see that it reaches the ground first. So therefore the answer is B.